Literally everybody lives over here. I don't understand. What is bro saying? What do you mean? Okay, listen. Look at all the people over here. That's where all the weight is. There's like 5 billion people in this area of the world. That's so much more weight than it's over here. What? There's like what? There's like no people over here. It'll be like a teeter-totter. It'll be like this. Think about it. You have the old seesaw. Tilts out. How is the whole world not just tilted a little? It makes no, that is why the earth is tilted. It's because there's so many people over here. And they keep having people. That's why they're slowly tilted more. Look that up. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Who let bro cook? What are you saying? How do you not understand that? How is this possibly a hard concept for people to grasp? All the weight's over here. Therefore, it's gonna tilt like that. End of story. You're all smooth-brained. Oh my god. I can't. We're done.